Take out your English binder, turn to your vocabulary notes section, and be prepared to write in the Cornell note format. Please divide the page into 2 columns. On the right, you will write the word or root word, and on the left, you will write the definition and any other helpful notes or examples. Please pause the video at any time if you feel that I am going too fast. Disperse. Disperse is a verb meaning to distribute or spread over a wide area. For example, the camping sites could be dispersed among the trees so as to be out of sight. Or, after blowing on the dandelion, its seeds disperse through the air. Or, when dealing with mathematics, the properties of one coefficient could be dispersed to those subordinated within parentheses. Mere or merest. Mere is an adjective describing that which is solely or no more or better than that which is specified. For example, some questions seem to be questions that cannot be answered by mere mortals. In this case, it would be assumed that such questions could be answered by something greater than mortals. Mere can be a condescending description, as in, you think you can sing, but you're a mere amateur, while mere also can be a truthful yet humble statement about one's abilities. Inherently. Inherently is an adverb describing something or quality existing in someone or something as a permanent and inseparable element, quality, or attribute. The dog inherently distrusted strangers, meaning its distrust was an inseparable and untrainable quality. Barrenness. Barrenness is a noun in reference to the state of being unproductive or unfruitful. For instance, the land's barrenness cloaked the life that was thriving just below the hot desert sands. Or, when trees are unable to bear fruit, they possess the quality of barrenness. Inanimate. Inanimate is an adjective describing an object that is not alive, especially not in the manner of animals or humans. Here's an example of inanimate in a sentence. Children often pass the time by giving life to inanimate objects in their environment. Implies. Implies is a verb that means to strongly suggest the truth or existence of something not expressly stated. The report implies that 2 million jobs might be lost. On the other hand, images like this do not imply the existence of mythical creatures. Phenomena. Phenomena is a noun referring to a fact or situation that is closely observed to exist or happen, especially whose cause or explanation is in question. For example, glaciers are unique and interesting natural phenomena. Aurora borealis or northern lights are examples of natural phenomena, as well as double rainbows, a natural phenomena all the way. Finally, imposing. Imposing is an adjective describing that which is grand and impressive in appearance. For example, the governor's ball took place in an imposing 17th century manor house. The word is illuminates. Illuminates is a verb meaning either to literally brighten with light, or illuminates can also more figuratively mean to make clear or enlighten as with knowledge. Example, taken figuratively, the young boy's radiant smile illuminates his face. Pervasive. Pervasive is an adjective describing an object or idea spreading through every part of something, either a physical area or a group of people. For instance, ageism is a pervasive, widespread issue in our society. Pervasive usually carries a negative weight, where the ideas or philosophies pervasively spread have a harmful or adverse impact on their area of effect. Elegiac. Elegiac is an adjective describing that which pertains to an elegy, a lament for one who is dead. For example, the tone of his speech about my departed aunt was elegiac. Elegiac often is used to describe abstract ideas like tone, word choice, or mood. Elegiac can also be used to describe a lament for the loss of a concept or a failure of some principle society. Apathetic. Apathetic is an adjective describing one feeling or showing little interest, one who is indifferent. Apathetic is often used to describe an attitude. For instance, their unenthusiastic response to the assignment was apathetic.